Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the website for the membership script Wishlist Member. And Wishlist Member is designed to work within WordPress in order to protect your content. The plugin allows for payment acceptance, and the payment processors include all of the major payment processors. Wishlist Member also integrates with email providers as well as both Zapier, the third-party cloud-based application connector, and GoToWebinar and other webinar systems. The plugin allows for more complex membership scenarios such as dripping content. Its dashboard includes membership statistics and everything that you need in order to manage your membership. Now, whenever you purchase Wishlist Member, you are purchasing a year of support and updates, which means then that in order to get newer versions, you'll need to update after 1 year. So if you've already purchased this plugin and you have not updated within the year, you'll need to update the plugin in order to get the newest version. Now in this course, we'll walk through the basics of setting up a membership using this plugin. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.